Hey guys, so I'm back. I am basically gonna share with you the last step, usually in my daily and nightly routine, my skincare routine, and that is putting on a base moisturizer. And Bobbi Brown recently came out with this awesome product. It is actually a vitamin base in face base enriched cream and primer all in one. So this is awesome because it's an all-in-one primer and moisturizer together. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put this face base on. So the way that you apply it, you can see that there. And you're basically gonna put it all over the face. I would recommend using this product when you apply makeup, and I love that it is an all-in-one primer, and this feels like amazing. But if you're not using foundation on a daily basis and you just want a really nice glow, I would definitely recommend this vitamin C, E, and B face base because it is very light. It's not greasy at all. It feels really, really nice, and it gives you like a little bit of a glow even without having any makeup on, as you can see right now. So hope you enjoy my review of the Bobbi Brown face base. Definitely check it out. Actually, I'm gonna add to my makeup kit because I really like it even for clients. So all right guys, see you later. And if you want to purchase it, you can find the link below in my Macy's store.